A viewer dropped a 3-ingredient gluten-free peanut butter cookie into my comment section in cups. So I said, if you convert it properly to grams, I will bake it, and I have. 256 grams peanut butter, 200 grams sucrose, and 50-gram egg. After creaming the Jif for a little while, I added the sucrose in thirds and then the egg in thirds, and I scrape a lot to make sure that every step is smooth so that the next step is also smooth. Jif is full of sugar, diglycerides, fully hydrogenated veg oil, and a lot of salt. And while I absolutely love the flavor, I think I would like to test this recipe with the natural peanut butter and/or any other nut butter. The sugar content is high, but so is the fat content. So the texture is soft to the tooth, but it has a tiny bit of a bite, and it just melts in your mouth. Every time I make cookies and scoop them right out of the mixer bowl, I refrigerate them bagged overnight. There's no flour in here, but the principle is the same. They need to solidify and meld. In the morning, I took 3, and then I wrapped the rest up after labeling them with an identifier and a date, and I put them in the freezer for the future. I then use a fork by pressing and sliding it out so it doesn't stick and make a mess. And I think that that old-fashioned crisscross look is quintessential and wonderful. I added a little kosher salt, baked them at 350 to color. This is precisely the sort of recipe I am constantly on the hunt for. It's an heirloom recipe because they found it, made it, love it, and can recommend it. That's what I'm looking for.